All right, select all the correct bars on the histogram below. The normally distributed data of the annual rainfall for 32 cities are summarized in the histogram. The mean amount, so this is key, 32.5. So the dead center we know, if we're looking, let's a normal, that's sort of decent. Our dead middle, the mean, 32.5 on this normal distributed data. The standard deviation is 4 inches. So we know within that first bit, we're going to go over 4 inches. So 32.5 plus 4 is how much? 36.5. Now, it then says on the histogram, identify each interval that may have data points 1.5 standard deviations. Well, we know 1 standard deviation is here at 36.5. So we need to go another half. Well, think about it. If each standard deviation is 4, so we went over 1 set of 4, we now need to go over another half. What's half of 4? 2 more. So we need to go over, if we're going over 1.5, here's 1. We went over 1 total standard deviation, 1 another half. Well, that's just going to be 2 more inches. So it's going to be 38.5. I need to do the same thing. Let's go back 4 inches, which back 4 inches is 28.5, and then back to 26.5. So we want to identify on this histogram everybody that's between 26.5 and 38.5. So 26.5 is here to, what do we say, 38.5 here. So every one of these, this guy right here will be part, he will be part, he will be part. Every one of those from 26 over to 40. So pretty much anybody from here to here that's within that, those histograms is a part of the data. So select them all. We'd have to select every one of those.